Look at this. Hurry up. Get across. Dang it. Jump. Get up there. Good job, Mom and Pop. Good job. Well, glad they were already across where that car cut me off. Jeez. There's geese everywhere. Everywhere. I'm in a truck. In my truck. Monday morning. Finally getting back to work after 10 days off. Last day I worked was the 31st and today's the 10th. Trying to get back in the swing of things. You know, you got to put all your stuff away and put everything where you normally have it and get back to your work routine, right? For the normal person, it's just a matter of setting your alarm and going back to work. For us, you know, we kind of built this home inside the truck, you know, and you got to put things away and get back in the routine of everything. When you're running a business, you got to get back in that mindset. So we're here in Springfield, Missouri. Getting ready to go get my trailer. And we're going to go to Joplin, pick up a load going to Columbus, Ohio. Guess I missed out on some decent rates with Blitz. I'm booked until Thursday, so I'm not sure. I got decent rates for it. I'm not sure what's going to happen next week or this week after that. Looking to stay out for a little bit. But I don't know. I kind of have to apologize for the whole YouTube thing. You know, taking 2 days out in the woods away from everything. When I came back, I just found myself not caring about a lot of things when it came to YouTube and Facebook and stuff. And I don't know, but I figured I'd do a vlog. I've been re-inspired by a few new YouTube channels that I've discovered. A lot of the ones that I used to watch, people either aren't driving anymore or they're talking about stuff that I really don't care about. But let's go hook up to my trailer and get to work. We got to hook up and do about an 80-mile deadhead. Let's go. Did you know that today, June 10th, is the 5th year anniversary of me doing my final load as a company driver? That happened in 2014. It's been a hell of a ride. Still going, I guess. By the way, I'm getting loaded. Checked in, had a clean trailer, slid the tandems, backed right in. Judged my suspension gauge, they're almost done. Then we go eastbound. Here at the Walmart, getting some groceries. This place is also known as the Miniature Prime Terminal. Those are all Prime trucks. It's a popular place to shop here. Alright, let's put some groceries away and let's go. Time to wash the truck. Yeah, wash the truck. Wash truck to fuel island. That's fine. Finally. We got our fuel. Now we're going. We're gonna have fun. Fun! Tuesday morning, we're already off to a good start. Leaving the truck stop, and they've got construction and closures and everything else. I'm not even on the interstate yet. Dang it. There's a big sign that says trucks use left lane in this construction zone. Yep. They ain't lying. Made it here to London. What I call the moon crater. The moon landing. Here, I'll show you. Come on, let's go for a ride. Or wash. Yeah. This parking lot. Yep. Gets worse as you get up there. Of course, you know. Now, in one of my videos, I talked about watch out for the chocolate. You also got to watch out for the lemonade. There. Anyways, we're kind of early. It's only like 3 o'clock here. It's 3 o'clock here. Right now, I'm booked up until Monday, so that's kind of cool. Need to write down my load assignment, plan my next 2 loads. Got a load picking up tomorrow in Columbus, going to Lansing, Michigan. And Jeff just informed me that that customer in Lansing allows overnight parking, so that'll make that easier. And then after that, I got a load going from Michigan to Illinois. And from there, I got a load going from Illinois to Texas. I'm not sure if I'll vlog that all together, but either way, it's the first week back. Pretty easy ride. Only had to do 300, how many miles did I do today? 330. And we're about 30 miles away from the customer. Delivery's at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Is that right? Oh man, but I'm going to take care of some business stuff. I got to call my accountant, see what's going on with that, and then write down some load assignments, and then be ready tomorrow. I map things out, look at Google Maps, make sure I'm going in there right, and we're good to go. I know you're all bored with that, right? Anyways, we'll see what Columbus does tomorrow for us. Getting in and out of Columbus can be interesting sometimes. Just before I shut the truck off, I heard on the CB, westbound, what's going on? So, obviously there's something going on out there. So we'll do our delivery in the morning. Wednesday morning, listening to James Best's live feed, getting ready to start my pre-trip. Got my coffee.
I appreciate it, brother. It's difficult. Light bright, yes.
Gotta go into Columbus. Hopefully it's not too bad. We're gonna go in early though.
I'll just go live 24/7.
So we'll see what happens. Well, that's it. We made our delivery, and we're here in Columbus. Beautiful day outside. And wrote down my next load. What am I picking up next? Oh, I'm picking up in Columbus. Going to Lansing, Michigan for tomorrow morning. So we will leave here. So I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down where I'm going and put it on the GPS and kind of scope it out on Google Maps and make sure we're good, and then head on over to the shipper. I believe Roscoe was there yesterday, so he can tell me all about it. Getting out of here might be tricky if this guy isn't unloaded before me. You know, because that wall. Not much room in this place. In order to, if I can't make that right turn, I either have to back up and go if there's nobody in this door, and then swing to get out, or I gotta go that way, back into a door to be able to turn around, because there's not enough swing room to turn around. But no big deal. It's all part of the job. So we made decent money on this. Rate was a little bit better than I normally get out of Springfield going to Columbus, so that was good. It was a heavy load, but next two loads supposed to be pretty light, so happy about that. But we're gonna get. So thanks for watching. If you made it this far, thank you very much. You know, hashtag go back to trucking. So hashtag get back to doing trucking videos. How about that, right? So anyways, you guys take it easy, and see ya.